Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are channeling the cold, commanding, and also stylish energy of Lady Tremaine, Cinderella's iconic stepmother. And if you want to know how to get this look, let me show you the steps. Let's start with the hair. I'm going to just click on the feminine hair category and put on this big hair and toggle it into no bangs. Change the color to white like this, and then I'm going to combine it with this bangs in here and change the color to same. So once you're done with the hair, you can start making the dress. So here I'm going to go to the women's section first, and I'm going to put on this blazer in here and change the color into red. This is the red that I'm going to use. And I'm going to put on this top in the same color. Also this one. And now you can finish the look with some accessory, and here I'm going to grab this for the neck, change it into purple, and also I'm going to grab the earrings and change the color into green. This one. So for the rest of the item, I'm going to put on the one from code items and also currency items here. First, let's put on this top and toggle it into smooth, change the color into purple. For the skirt, I'm going to put on this strawberry dress and toggle it into skirt only, change the color to red. Then I'm going to also put on this skirt, toggle it into no layer, and just change the color red. And then here I'm going to also put on this top. Then I'm going to toggle it into no sleeves and color, and just change the color the same red. Sorry, I forgot to put on the necklace and also the shoes. So for the necklace, I'm going to put on this necklace in here, toggle it into number 2, change the chains color into gold and the gems into green. And as for the shoe, you are just going to put on the heels with a ribbon on it. This heels in here, change the color into red, and ribbon, I'm going to make it purple. So now this is the final look for Lady Tremaine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.